part 2. So now let's go ahead and set this up. So I pre-built some of the stuff. So we're going to take our Ethernet cable, go from the PC to our switch, our router, our firewall, or our server to it. You can see the link lights are getting up. So the key part next is doing the router. So let's make sure we know which router we're doing. So 0 to here, 1. So if we do it in some kind of order, and again right now it currently doesn't matter how we do the port in the switch. Alright, so we're using the 192 address. Alright, so we were doing the 192, 168. Let's move this out. Again, 192, 160, 68. Got 1. 32 is the network. So we're going to say router 0/0 is going to be 192.168.133. We can do the beginning, doesn't matter which one you do, but let's just be consistent. And then the server, we're going to do 192.168.1.34. And then our range will be from, let's just make it simple. Let's go 40 to 60. Doesn't have to be all exact. That's our network 1. We're going to do 192.168.1.64. And then we're going to do router 0/1. We're going to make that 192.168.1. We're going to do 65. And again, server 192.168 and do 67. And then we're just going to do, again, because we only have a handful of PCs, so let's just do 70 through 90. And there we go. So then our next one, our next block is going to be 1. That's going to be 96. And then, and it's very good to label these things before you start doing everything, because usually where everybody gets messed up. So we're going to do 97. And then the server, we're going to do 192.168.1.98. And then we're going to do 100 through 120. Alright. So let's tackle the router. So we're going to say no. Then we're going to do enable, big T. And then we're going to do interface G0. I guess if I can spell it, interface. And then we're going to do IP address. And then 192.168.3. And then the mask 255.255.255.224. And then we're going to do no shut. And voila, we can see that our interface is green. Perfect. So now we can just up arrow, make our lives easier. Go to 1, up arrow, change our address to 65. Up arrow again, no shut. Perfect. Let's up arrow, go to our interface 2. And Oh yeah, there we go. Went to the wrong interface. Gotta pay attention. Always wind up like me, not paying attention. There we go. IP address. Then go 97. And then no shut. Perfect. All done with the router. So we go to our server. So we're going to go to desktop, go to the IP, and then we're going to put in the address 192.1.34. And then remember, this guy's going to be the DNS server too. So we got to put the right mask in. If we don't, things are not going to work right. And put in our default gateway. So remember, this is our ID. We don't use this at all. So then we're going to go to our services, go to our DHCP, turn it on. Here we go. So let's change this to 40. Let's just make this 20 addresses. And here we go. Put on our default gateway, because if we don't, we're not going to be able to go anywhere. And then we're going to hit save. Perfect. Now let's go to our PC, go to our desktop, go to DHCP. There we go. We got our IP address. Let's go to the command prompt and let's ping our default gateway. Perfect. Pinging the gateway. Now let's ping the other side of the router. Okay, we can reach the other side of the router. And perfect. We're going all the way across. Okay. Let's go to this guy. Again. Let's give it its IP address 168.1.67. Remember, you can't offer services unless you have a static IP. Again, DNS server. Even though we're not using the DNS server, it's a good habit to do this. Because in the real world, you're going to have a DNS server, even though we don't have it configured really. We're going to go to our DHCP again, turn our service on. We're going to change that to 70. We're going to give it 20. We're going to put in the DNS. And then there we go. We're going to hit save. So it has that updated information. Here in DNS, we can just turn it on. We're not worried about creating any records at this point in our lives. So again, we're going to go to the desktop. There we go, we got an address. And we can ping 33. Perfect. We're pinging from here to this guy's interface. So let's ping the server. Now we're waiting a moment. There we go. We got our 3 pings. Perfect. So now from here, we pinged here. Perfect. We don't need to ping everything. Because the first PC pinged all the way across. So we're good. So let's go to our desktop, our IP again. Let's put in our address. We are 98. Again, let's fix our mask. Without fixing the mask, we're going to have issues. Here we go. Again, we're using the default gateway is the router's interface. So then from there, we're going to go to services. We're going to turn it on. We're going to go with 100. And then we're going to go with 20 addresses. And then we're going to go with the default gateway and make sure we don't slip up. And then our DNS. Then we're going to hit save. And then again, our PC. And then let's pull up our PC. And let's ping. Here we go. We pinged across. So from here, we pinged all the way to here. So we went through the switch, through this router, back to this PC. He responded. So let's do PC1. Or let's do server 1 since we know the address of that. And then that'll be 67. There we go. We successfully took the IP in the first part. In the second part, we successfully deploy it. The big thing to do is write down everything before you start drawing it, or before you start typing away, or build it one piece at a time and then do it. But writing down your IPs is important. Write it down first. It makes it easier. Remember, you cannot use these. These are your IDs. These are like your zip codes. This is the group of you. This represents the group. You know, they're not individuals. IDs are not individuals. That's the group. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.